Hey guys, I'm sure you're all tired of looking at this picture by now. So today we turn this into this. And I show you how I potted the plants I got from this awesome nursery and the ones my mom had grown after germinating last season's seeds. I started off with getting all the plants and pots upstairs. And pre-placed pots at the positions because once full, they aren't really very easy to move. So I got one of these pots and some flowers to get a feel of how I was gonna go about doing this, which wasn't really very complicated. Just gotta make sure you don't damage the roots. I broke an old pot into small pieces and placed them in the new pots to retain the soil. Then, as a benchmark, I started off with mixing a couple of buckets of soil and compost that again my mom had made at home, just to get an idea of how many buckets I need per pot. Once I had an idea, I spread out all the soil, spread out some of the sawdust that had been collecting during the woodwork, and then came the compost. After mixing it all up, it was time to start filling up those pots. So before transferring the plants into pots, I realized that I was better off taking the rest of the soil and compost mix upstairs. I tried to raise the plants as much as I could so that the roots would have more margin to grow deeper. The fig, mango and guava plants have all been germinated from their seeds we have been saving from the last season. It's a very simple process and only requires a little patience. I'd be happy to make a video on that if you guys would want. We also have dates, strawberries and oranges, but I don't need to transfer them yet. I had to get some more pots the next day for the rest of the plants. I got another one of these pots since I was already at the shop, so I could transfer the rest of these leftovers and give the other pot some company. And there we have it. Turning this unappreciated terrace into a place where we can relax and also entertain guests at times was a lot of fun. This is another ongoing part of this project. This is a storage and prepping area. I'm also planning a fire pit or a barbecue area around here. But for now, I'm quite happy with the way it feels. And my mom finally has a place she can sit early morning or in the evening, enjoy her cup of tea, and read a book. Or just relax and watch the day turn to night as the sun goes down. I have plans for better lighting after I am done making the barbecue area. Till then, we can just enjoy the stars.